Welcome back. So yes, I'm safe, by the way. There was a big tsunami warning yesterday. A little hectic last night. Got stuck on the highway for 4 or 5 hours, but everything was okay. False alarm. So anyways, there's only one thing to talk about today, and it makes me really understand why Trump wants to fire Powell. That is the FOMC meeting and what was said during that FOMC meeting. So let's talk about it, because it's just really stupid. Seems like everything's just done politically now. Things are just done to spite Trump, and it makes no sense. So we had that FOMC meeting, right? And no surprise, no rate cut. We knew that it's not going to be done this time, but the vote was 9-2. So out of the 11 people that voted, 2 people, Waller and one other person, said that it was time to cut. Okay, and this is the first time where you really have a disagreement. Normally speaking, the governors, you know, they all kind of vote the same way. This time we had 2 adamant people that said, hey, it's time, we need to cut. But of course, the others and Powell, they're like, nope, we're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. We don't want to do it. And the reason's always the same. I guess jobs is looking okay. Employment rate looks low, and the economy's doing okay. And because of those things, and because of the unknown effects of tariffs, we're not gonna cut. But not only that, not just not cut. He was asked during Q&A about September, because okay, we all knew there's no cut, so we thought that September maybe he would be a little dovish and say, okay, it's ready. You know, after this last one, we're ready to cut. We're going to do it in September, and we got one more after that. No, he went the opposite route. He said, you know what, we have to evaluate September. There's no guarantees of a cut in September, and we just don't know the effects of the tariffs and the inflation. Like, come on, okay? At this point, he's doing this on purpose. He's doing it out of spite, because he knows that Trump wants him to cut. Everyone wants him to cut, and this is like, you know, to me, it's turning political. He did not have to say it that way, okay? He could just say, hey, you know what? I think we're ready, but we just need a little more data, right? But, you know, say it in a neutral way. He said it in a way where it was hawkish. Like, basically, like, he's expecting there's going to be more inflation, and because of it, he basically doesn't want to think about it, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't think anyone likes it. You know, the market was green today. Started out in the green. Everyone thought that this was going to be a good FOMC meeting, good Q&A, and then things turned really, really red afterwards. Markets tanked. Bitcoin tanked, although it went down to 115. Clear out more leverage, came back up. Now it's 117, but still not all the way back. But the alts took a beating today, even more so on top of yesterday. And it's all due to one person, Powell. So I can understand why Trump and others are frustrated, because he's just not playing ball. Not playing ball at this point, okay? There are a lot of people, even though it may seem like the economy's doing well, jobs is okay and all that stuff, but you know, there are a lot of people that are not doing that well, that are struggling. There are definitely effects of a downturn right now, right? There's definitely less spending out there. There's less hiring. So there's all these things. So we need that rate cut. We need it in September. If we don't get it in September, then the next one is probably November, There may be October. I don't know if there's October FOMC. I think we skip October, go straight to November. So then we had to wait until this November. He said there was going to be 2 cuts this year. You can't have it November, December, right? You want to space it out to let the effects kick in. That's how you get new data. So it definitely should be September, and then maybe the next one November, December, whatever, right? But basically, he just ruined it. I'm disappointed. I'm really disappointed. I just don't like, I mean, again, this is not because he didn't cut today. That was to be expected that he wasn't going to cut. But the way he went about describing September just really just dampened the mood and just killed everything. And it's just really sucks. Really sucks. Outside of that, there's really nothing else to say. I mean, you know, the FOMC meeting is the big thing. Outside of FOMC meeting, we still have that bitwise conversion to look forward to. That's later on, but this was the big one. The good thing is, of course, Bitcoin as always recovers right back up. Even though we get these temporary blips, Bitcoin is really not affected. The buying continues, right? That's no surprise. Sailor and others continue to load up on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is so strong, but unfortunately, altcoin season right now is being affected. We are coming down because of all the I guess, the scary news. It's not even really scary. It's just disappointing news. That's more like it, right? So we saw almost 4,000 Ethereum. We saw almost, what? $4, no, $4.50 for Sui. We saw almost 200 for Sol. All these prices now were down because of this one man, and it sucks. It's not just one man, okay? One man and the others, the 8 others that voted no. I don't know. Just seems like this is very, very politically driven. There's no reason why they couldn't just give a little dovish tone in their messaging. You know, just a little bit. That's all you need. Just a little bit. Make everyone feels good. Markets soar. There's no downside to it. There really isn't. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Outside of that, it's can't complain. It's beautiful out. Nice 85 degrees. No tsunami here. Doing a little shopping. So that's it. Alright guys, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow, usual time. Alright? Have a good one. Take care. Let's all put out hashtag fire Powell on X. That's what we should do. Even though technically he can't be fired, we should just all just like start it. Fire Powell on X. Alright, bye-bye.